Earn $1.20 per ad watched. Discover how to make money online. Earn $1.20 per ad watched. Discover how to make money online. Table of contents. Introduction. How does the money-making app work? Registering and setting up the app. Making money by watching ads. Watching ads on websites. Using the affiliate program. Advertising your own website. Earning money by watching videos. Withdrawing funds. Maximizing earnings with multiple browsers. Special trick to earn more money. Is the money-making app legitimate? Pros and cons. Conclusion. Cell phone. How does the money-making app work? In today's digital age, there are numerous opportunities to earn money online, and one such method is by using a money-making app. These apps promise to pay users for performing simple tasks, such as watching ads or completing surveys. In this article, we will discuss a brand new money-making app called SurfyDob that claims to pay users $120 for every ad they watch. But is it too good to be true? Let's dive into the details and find out. 1. Introduction. The introduction will provide a brief overview of the topic and introduce the SurfyDob money-making app. It will mention the app's claim of paying users $29.50 in just one day and highlight the potential to earn money online without any investment. The introduction will also mention the minimum withdrawal amount and the app's reputation for quick payments. 2. How does the money-making app work? This section will explain how the SurfyDob app works. It will start by emphasizing the app's user-friendly nature and the ability to use it on various devices, including PCs, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. The section will highlight that no prior experience is required to make money with this app. It will explain that users need to register on the website, install the provided extension, and start earning by viewing banner ads on the websites they visit. 3. Registering and setting up the app. This subsection will provide a step-by-step guide on registering and setting up the SurfyDob app. It will instruct users to search for the app's name in the search bar and click on the official website link. Alternatively, users can visit surf.be/earn directly. The process of creating an account will be explained, including filling out basic information like username, email, and password. The subsection will end with users logging into their accounts and being greeted by the dashboard. 4. Making money by watching ads. This section will cover the main method of earning money through the SurfyDob app, which is by watching ads. Subsections will be dedicated to explaining how these ads appear on websites and users' ability to earn money without clicking on them. Examples of ads appearing on popular websites like YouTube and Google will be demonstrated. Furthermore, the subsection will mention the earnings of other users as proof of the app's legitimacy. 4.1 Watching ads on websites. This subsection will provide a detailed description of how the ad viewing process works. It will explain that the app's extension displays banner ads on the websites users visit. The subsection will highlight users' ability to move or close the ads as per their preference. It will also mention that the app pays users for every ad that appears, even if they do not click on it. The subsection will convey the simplicity of this method and the potential to earn money effortlessly. 4.2 Using the affiliate program. This subsection will introduce users to another method of earning money with the SurfyDob app, which is through its affiliate program. It will explain that users can earn a commission by referring others to the app. The process of obtaining their unique affiliate link will be discussed, along with suggestions on how to promote it on platforms like Facebook. The subsection will highlight the potential of earning passive income through this program. 4.3 Advertising your own website. In this subsection, users will be informed about an additional opportunity to earn money with the app. They can advertise their own websites and gain traffic by using the SurfyDob app. The process of adding website adverts will be explained, emphasizing the potential for increased visibility and visitors. 5. Earning money by watching videos. This section will briefly touch upon the option of earning money by watching videos within the SurfyDob app. It will explain that users can double-click on a video, watch it for 20 seconds, and earn money. The subsection will mention that the amount of money earned varies depending on the user's country. Though not the primary focus of the article, this section will showcase the app's versatility. 6. Withdrawing funds. Here, the process of withdrawing earned funds from the Surfy app will be explained. Users will be directed to the Withdraw Funds option, and the minimum withdrawal amount will be highlighted. The subsection will mention the various payment methods available and reassure users that their funds can be withdrawn within 24 hours. 7. Maximizing earnings with multiple browsers. This subsection will encourage users to maximize their earnings by installing the Surfy app's extension on multiple browsers. It will explain that this allows users to view ads on every browser they use, further increasing their potential income. 8. Special trick to earn more money. In this section, a special trick will be revealed to users, promising them the opportunity to earn more money. The trick involves using a VPN extension to acquire a US IP address, which enables users to earn higher amounts for completing tasks on the app. A step-by-step guide on installing and using the VPN extension will be provided. 9. Is the money-making app legitimate? This section will address the legitimacy of the Surfy money-making app. It will mention positive reviews from other users and showcase their earnings as proof. The approval of the app by Chrome Web Store will be highlighted as an indicator of its legitimacy and security. The section will conclude by urging users to exercise caution and approach such apps with realistic expectations. 10. Pros and cons. This section will provide a balanced view of the Surfy money-making app by listing its pros and cons. Pros may include ease of use, diverse earning opportunities, and quick payments. Cons may include potential limitations in earnings and the need for caution when dealing with money-making apps in general. 11. Conclusion. In the conclusion, users will be reminded of the potential to earn money online using the Surfy app. They will be encouraged to explore the various earning methods, including watching ads, using the affiliate program, and watching videos. The importance of maximizing earnings and using the provided special trick will be emphasized. The conclusion will reiterate the app's legitimacy while advising users to manage their expectations realistically.